Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss about topic. The topic name is ASCII. Okay. So the full form ASCII. The full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this ASCII, the meaning is what? In this world, whatever the characters are there. In keyboard, many characters, A, B, C, D in small letter, in capital letter, in a special character just like that ampersand, that asterisk, then hashtag, many more things are there. Question mark, okay, na? Exclamation sign. These all signatures, all the characters having some integer value. Correct, na? Without that, all characters also we can talk to someone. We can send message from one place to another place. So all the characters having its own integer value. So today we are going to discuss about that, and let's learn ASCII value. So you can see I am writing capital A. The value of capital A is 65. The value of capital A is how much? 65. The value of capital B, if you use your common sense, it will be how much? 66. That means value of A to Z, we can write capital A to Z, we can write like this: 65, 66, 67, 68. Correct? Like that, small a value is equals to the value of capital A plus 32. The value of capital A is how much? You see, it is 65. So I will write 65 plus 32. This is altogether how much? This is altogether 97. That means the value of small a is how much? 97. The value of small a is how much? 97. Then what is the value of small b? The value of small will be 98. Like that, small c is 99. Correct, no? Now we are going to discuss one of the question which already came in board exam 2010 and 2013. Now see here, system dot out dot print ln, and I am writing here capital A plus 25. What is the integer value of capital A? The value of capital A is how much? You see here, this is 65. So 65 plus 25 is how much? That is altogether 90. So 90 will be the answer. Correct? Huh? So whenever we are converting character into integer, all the characters having some value. So when these all characters are converted into integer format, then all characters having some its own value. Capital A to Z, the value is starting from 65, like that, 66, value of capital B, 67, value of capital C, like that. And in small letter, small a 97, then what is the value of small b? That is 98, small c 99, small d obviously 100. Okay, so it is moving like that. Once more, the full form of ASCII is how much? What is the value? What is the full form of ASCII? That is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, now. So generally the full form is not coming. These all find the output type questions are coming. So coming exam I will give questions from this particular topic also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.